Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Catal Create. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a collaboration, and this is the Farmhouse Christmas 2020, and it is hosted by Crafty Michelle and My Scrapbook Loft here, Miss Judy on YouTube. I will link them down on the description below, as well as the other collaborators that are collaborating in this collab. Our videos will be posted every Thursday. So everything that I recorded was pre-recorded. So stay tuned for everything that will be follow. It will have a item description of what I used, process video, and my end result. So hope you guys like, and stay tuned. So these are the items I am using. I probably already inserted a picture of these, which are the stocking holders, and these that I got from, what was it, 99-cent store. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to alter them. I also have these that I will be using, and these are pieces of garland. I believe that's what they are, and these I got at Dollar Tree. And these I actually found, yeah, I'm not going to say where I found them at, but they were new, they weren't used, so I got them. And then I am going to try to incorporate this ribbon here, this one as well. Isn't this cute? Look at you guys. Isn't that so cute? And I am going to try to put these in here. So let's see how this works out. Let me try. I'm gonna try to do a rapid video, so hopefully that works. Cross my fingers. So we'll see how this works. Thank you for watching for now. So hopefully you watch the rest of it, and hopefully we will see what the end product looks like. So this is my end product, you guys. OMG. So isn't he cute? I mean, OMG, look at you guys. So I did two of them. I will insert an end picture towards the end of this, so you guys could see them together. There is one, and let me see if I can adjust this. There we go. So here is number one. And look at how cute. So I will still insert an end picture at the end so you guys could see both of them together. And look at, my goodness, this is my first ever farmhouse Christmas decoration. So I am so excited. So here I did the bow. This has a blue touch to it. I did the oh my gosh, the burlap bow, and then I did the checkered bow in the back because I still want to do something checkered. So hopefully this all works out. And isn't there, aren't they so cute? Oh my gosh, I love it. So anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. I will link all the ladies that are in this collaboration down on the description below. Don't forget to go over and check them out. I am sure they did amazing and incredible projects. I gotta go check them out. Thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. And like I said, I will insert the end picture at the end. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you on board. I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe, and subscribe to all the other ladies in this collaboration. Thank you again for taking the time to watch. Bye for now.